this video I'll give an overview of my solar system. Stay tuned. So I got 4 panels, 450 watts, connected all in series. Right, from the bottom up, it's from positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative, and it goes into my garage. My hybrid inverter. This is a 5.5 kilowatt inverter and MPPT charge controller in one unit. Works great. Moving on, we have a DC switch for my solar panels, as you can see, coming in the wall, and the switch into the inverter, right? This breaker is for my battery, my DIY 18650 battery. Watch my shorts video about that one. Yeah. This is the packs that I used to build my 18650 battery. The big battery is 3.6 kilowatt hours. It works great. This was a quick overview of my setup. So, there's a lot more to be done. I'm hoping to increase my battery capacity, maybe add more solar. We'll see. Stay tuned.